permitedness of basar v'chalav is twofold. Okay, so 1 second. Let me quickly check how much time we have. Okay, twofold. Okay, number one, two permitted foods are prohibited when combined. All the meat and dairy products are both permitted foods. The Torah specifically forbids the combination of meat and dairy. Okay. So, and just a reminder, when we said when it's cooked together, and now this leniency that we use in this in the summary was when one is cold, right? When dairy plate is cold and meat is hot, so don't do it initially. But after the fact, if you did it, there is no problem. Okay. So basically, one is not going to cook the other. Okay. So continue. However, merely combining meat and dairy without cooking them does not constitute basar v'chalav according to the Torah law. So basically, if you have a burger and you put cold burger, and you put on top cold cheese, there is no prohibition whatsoever. Okay, just so we know, according to Torah law, only meat and dairy that are cooked together become basar v'chalav. So cooked together, what does it mean? Cooked together, according to the Torah law. So meaning even if not necessarily they're in the same pot, right? To be considered cooked together, even though in separate pots, but they are not separate. Even on one plate, let's say, right? But both of them are hot. So hot meaning that they can cook each other. Continue. Meat soaked in the mix. Meat soaked in the meat soaked in or mixed with dairy does not become basar v'chalav according to Torah law. Of course, according to rabbinic, of course, we don't do it, right? Even though they absorb taste of each other, so right, they are prohibited according to rabbinic law only. Okay, so they just so we understand. So even though they say according to rabbinic law only, it's absolutely forbidden. So even the situation, this person soaked a piece of meat in a dairy. Okay, but the plan, the way I understand, the plan is to cook, right? This piece of meat or fry, whatever, roasted, whatever. So it's going to be basar v'chalav according to Torah after the fact. Okay.